Hello friends, welcome to It's Ramkate. Today we are going to show a very simple homemade recipe of ghee preparation. Here my mother-in-law Mrs. Nageshwari going to tell you how to prepare ghee from clarified butter. Ghee is a pure fat used in Indian cooking from the ancient times. It is considered to be an healthy and ideal fat for cooking or deep frying because of its high smoke point, which is probably up to 250 degree. Now this is the butter that she has taken. I will also explain you the process how she has taken the butter. Okay, this butter was extracted from 1 liter of milk every day that we buy, and which was around for 20 days. After 20 days, this much butter we have received. All that we need to do is boil the milk the way you do and refrigerate it. Once you refrigerate it, you get the cream, the upper layer, that is the cream over the milk. Just collect the milk and put it in a bowl and store it in deep freeze itself. Like it has to be frozen. Like once in a while, whenever you find time, just add a very small quantity, maybe a half a teaspoon of curd to it to avoid the butter getting spoiled. Once the butter is properly mixed, she is putting the butter in the blender and she is given a pulse, maybe for 30 seconds. After the pulse, you can see the butter, that is the milk solids, will float and the water comes down. The floating part is the actual butter that we require. That is the clarified butter. Take another bowl and add some water and put this clarified butter in it and wash it properly. You need to wash it for 2 to 3 times. The reason is because it is a 20 days milk cream that we've collected. To avoid any bad odor, so it's better to do it this way. And only then you get that fresh quality butter. See, the excess milk and all those things will start floating. You can properly wash it. It doesn't take much time. Making ghee at home really doesn't take much time at all. Trust me. Once you start doing it this way, you will definitely not buy it from outside because of the taste and flavor, which is actually enhanced when you prepare it at home. Again, she is doing the same thing. She is blending the excess cream and collecting the milk solids which are floating and putting it in a bowl which has water because she needs to wash it. And you see the whey water will be at the down. This is where you get your whey protein. Basically, the ladle does the magic. Now you will understand. So you can see the butter is floating. The excess milk and all those dirty particles will be washed in the water. Ghee is basically a very pure milk fat. It is prepared just by simmering the butter. Okay, once you add it in water, you see the milk, you see the water that comes out. This is nothing but the buttermilk. This is the actual buttermilk in fact. Now you see, again it has to be washed properly. So 2 to 3 times she has washed it. So at that time the butter itself is really fresh. So she is nicely mixing it. All that you need to do is a little patience, and when you start loving cooking, you'll love doing this. Once you like the flavor, it is worth doing all this hard work. So all this buttermilk is being collected because she has washed it completely. Now you see the cream, that is the butter, is very, very fresh. You can directly add sugar to it or salt to it and use it as a table butter. Or you can also start using it for bread butter jam or any other dish that you want to prepare it with butter. This is the original butter. The taste and flavor of ghee, which is made from cultured butter, is much more superior than any other regular butter or churned from cream. So we love making this traditional way because from the scratch without any shortcuts. Boil the milk, collect the cream. Once in 20 days, mix it properly and put it in a mixer. take the butter out. Now you see the total amount of butter. Take the butter out and wash it properly. Once you wash it, the remaining butter is this much, which is probably more than half a kg. Now take a bowl. We have taken the same bowl, so let the butter be inside it. Do not forget to put the ladle, because more than milk, butter gets boiled very quickly. So you should have this ladle and keep churning it. So that's what she's trying to say. So the butter gets boiled quickly and it will come out. So be very careful. Please simmer it and just mix it with the ladle continuously. So do not cover it. Keep it open and do it. Otherwise it will come out very quickly. Keep doing it. Keep stirring it. This is the magic that's going to happen. So once you keep stirring it continuously, the churned butter has been boiled, and here is the stage where you see clarified butter is ghee. Your ghee is ready. At the end, she is adding curry leaves for flavor. So she's telling that she's going to add it. Okay, so once the butter gets clarified and it becomes ghee, you see it becomes translucent. Then curry leaves will add an extraordinary flavor to it. So now it's ready. Take a strainer and pour the clarified butter. Here you get this beautiful ghee. Hope you like it. Thanks.